Hi, I am Leo. Today, I will introduce the Rockwell hardness tester. Welding is particularly important in the production process of saw blades. If the hardness of the back of tooth is not well controlled, it will not only affect its stress change, but also the saw body fracture and cracking phenomenon. This is a diameter of 285 mm, 100 teeth, metal cold saw blade. Next we will use our Rockwell hardness tester to test its hardness. This is a Rockwell hardness tester produced by our factory. When the saw blade is placed on it, we need to make sure it is level and does not shake. First, we test the hardness of the saw body. Let's find an unwelded spot and measure it. Next, we need to measure the hardness of the back of tooth. Like this position is most prone to quenching or annealing, so we need to test the Rockwell hardness of this point. Finally, at this position of the axe stamp after welding, near the edge, when the welding effect is not good, it is generally easy to break in this position. Now let's test it. The saw blade is placed horizontally to measure the original HSC value of the saw body, which is Rockwell hardness. When detecting, the short pointer in the dial points to the red dot position, and then we point the long pointer to the C position, thus completing the calibration. After that, we apply pressure. And when we have fully applied pressure, we release the pressure, and now we can read the value, HSC 43. Then we began to measure the HSC value of the position of the tooth back. Calibrate and apply pressure. Then release it. HSC value 39. This shows that when we weld, the hardness value of the tooth back does not change too much, because we set a tempering function at the time of welding. Finally, we measure the position, the axe stamp after welding. If the hardness is not controlled, this position is the most easy to break in the process of cutting. To begin the measurement, place the saw blade horizontally and without shaking. Calibrate. Apply pressure. Then release pressure. Read the value, Rockwell hardness HSC 41. The hardness of the arc stamp position did not change much, which indicates that the welding of this saw blade was successful.
Are you interested in our equipment? If you want to inquire and purchase, please contact me.